Here's another set of really cheap shop tools that I think are kind of a must-have for anybody, and that is get yourself some extremely long screwdrivers. I picked these up at Harbor Freight because these are really dual purpose. This is a screwdriver and a pry bar. This is just a screwdriver, but you'll find that things like wiring harnesses and things like that, where it's under the hood, it's kind of hidden. Something like this is really helpful. Also, really long needle nose, super cheap. I have another set of these, but I don't know where they went. And lastly, I had trouble finding these. These were out of stock for a while. But these are hose pliers, specifically for hoses. And I tell you, I think this was like 12 or 13 bucks for the set. Very cheap. Highly recommend these. These are going to help with hoses and wiring harnesses. And again, it's all for, you know, under the hood, under a dashboard, where you've got clips and you know, little things that are going to be hidden away, or maybe you just need something to be able to like grab onto something while you work on it with another tool. Really helpful. So these really long needle nose and really long screwdrivers, I highly recommend, because I mean, I don't think I have more than 30 or 40 bucks tied up in all of this stuff, and it's been, I've used it a bunch.